Hi, I'm going to making a Fryer Crispy Cod today. I have about 4 pieces cod in the small pieces, and I have 2 tablespoons of Japanese barbecue sauce, and this is a Japanese barbecue sauce, look like this, and 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So I mix. Then I'm going to dip into the cornstarch. Some egg. Some breadcrumb in it. Okay, I'm going to put it in the air fryer, and I'm going to spray some oil in it first. And put some oil in it again. Then I'm going to air fryer for 400. Well, it depends how thick your fish. My fish is not that thick, so I would say about 15 to 20 minutes. So I try it 20 minutes first. So the first time I do 20 minutes. So wait until 10 minutes, then I flip to another side. I'll be right back. Okay, it has been 10 minutes. So I'm going to turn over to the other side. And I put a little bit more oil in it. Okay, I do another 10 minutes. Okay, another 10 minutes is up, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, that's what I make today, the air fry crispy cod.